Here's some Rubik's Cube trivia. Subscribe. Who invented the Rubik's Cube? Is it A. Pablo Picasso, B. Ernő Rubik, C. Danica McKellar, or D. Nikola Tesla? The correct answer is B. Ernő Rubik. What year was the Rubik's Cube created? Is it A. 1981, B. 1976, C. 1974, or D. 1990? The correct answer is C. 1974. What type of puzzle is the Rubik's Cube? Is it A. mechanical puzzle, B. digital puzzle, C. word search puzzle, or D. jigsaw puzzle? The correct answer is A. mechanical puzzle. What company first produced the Rubik's Cube? Is it A. Ideal Toy Corporation, B. Sega, C. Hasbro, or D. Mattel? The correct answer is A. Ideal Toy Corporation. Which country was the Rubik's Cube invented in? Is it A. Germany, B. Japan, C. Hungary, or D. United States? The correct answer is C. Hungary. What shape does the Rubik's Cube have? Is it A. sphere, B. cylinder, C. pyramid, or D. cube? The correct answer is D. cube. Name the sequence of moves for solving. Is it A. strategies, B. procedures, C. protocols, or D. algorithms? The correct answer is D. algorithms. What did Ernő Rubik initially call his invention? Is it A. color cube, B. twist box, C. magic cube, or D. puzzle block? The correct answer is C. magic cube. What are smaller versions of the cube called? Is it A. tiny squares, B. mini cubes, C. baby blocks, or D. micro boxes? The correct answer is B. mini cubes. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.